Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Canva website to your WhatsApp number. Okay, so here the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Canva website. Okay, so I am here on the sample website. And then the next thing that you should do here is you just have to go to your contact section. Okay, so right here you can type out your number. After typing out your number, you just have to highlight your number. Okay, that's right. And then you just have to click on the link icon. Now, after clicking on the linked icon right here, make sure to type out the text again. So I'm just going to type out my number. And then for the link, we have to use this code. Okay, so we have HTTPS. Okay, so you just have to copy this code right here. After that, you have to type out your WhatsApp number. Okay, now for the display mode, I'm just going to click on link and then click on done. Okay, now that you're done, just click on the preview option. So let's check if we have successfully added our WhatsApp link here on Canva website. So when someone clicked on this number, they would be directed to the WhatsApp website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.